Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, it is a absolutely beautiful day here in East Texas. And you know what that means? Time to upgrade the truck. Our first cheap mod is debadging the truck. The dealership did not pay us for advertisement, and so we're going to take this off, especially because mine says bacon. Just hit it with the heat gun, run some fishing line behind it, then get you a little plastic scraper tool and just scrape it off, heating along the way. This will give you that nice clean look. But why stop there? Let's go ahead and rebadge it. That's one of the fun of driving a truck, is customize it the way you like. I like this 6.2 liter badge. This badge is the factory size of the one on the hood scoop, and so you could replace this and go for that stealth look, or you can put it on the back like I plan to and let everybody know that your gas mileage is absolutely terrible. Let's just peel and stick, make sure to wipe up our area, and there we go, looking clean. Time for the next mod. Maybe you've got a rugged life and this key fob just won't hold up to it. Or maybe you've just got multiple Chevys and don't know which key is which, like me. Well, that's where this key fob cover comes in handy. This thing is metal and rubber, and it can withstand the elements, and installation is super simple. We've got 4 screws that we're just going to take out, and then we will insert our key fob into the rubber part, place it back, put the 4 screws back, and all of a sudden you've got a brand new looking key fob. This thing looks great, buttons feel great. Also got this sweet keychain you can put on the end of it. Easy install, just unbutton it, slap it on there. I didn't notice any decrease in range, and it really matches my truck's rugged appearance and color scheme. You really need one of these. This thing is awesome. Time for the next mod. If you're wondering where you can get your hands on every mod in this video, go to Magnolia Advanced Designs. They're the sponsor of this video, and every single product they have is absolutely awesome for your Silverado or Sierra. Magnolia Advanced Designs is a one-person company based out of Mississippi and takes its name from the state's official tree and flag symbol. I'll have links to every one of these products in the description. If the glare on your screen is too much to bear, you're just tired of all those pesky fingerprints, this next mod is for you. This matte screen protector from Magnolia Advanced Designs will not only protect your screen, but also get rid of that glare and the appearance of all those fingerprints. Installation is easy. We'll begin by using a small plastic pry tool to pop our trim piece off the bottom of our radio. Spray the screen liberally with a soapy solution. Magnolia Advanced Designs supplies a spray bottle in case you don't have one. Remove the backing from the screen protector and place it on the screen. You should be able to move it slightly. Now use your scrub tool to remove all the bubbles and wipe off the excess water. Don't forget to replace the trim on your truck. Say goodbye to glare and fingerprints, and your screen is now protected. Time for the next mod. The matte black finish on the back of the truck's rear windshield can definitely use an upgrade. Luckily, we've got the solution for that. With these covers, we can cover up that ugly finish and make it look just like the rest of the glass. Let's clean off our entire area, and let's make sure the application location is good and dry. Peel one of the corners off of the cover. Place the cover where you want it, and then remove the underlying backing. Do the same for the bottom. This will really make a difference and give you that glass look all the way across the back. Magnolia Advanced Designs really knocked it out of the park. Don't forget to remove the peeling on the outside layer. Don't forget you can get every last one of these from Magnolia Advanced Designs, and thank you for sponsoring this video, and we hope you enjoyed all these awesome mods. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.